Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. If your computer feels slow the moment you turn it on, it might be because too many programs are trying to start at the same time. In this video, I will show you how to manage your startup apps in Windows 11. To start, click the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Apps in the left sidebar and click on Startup at the bottom of the list. Here you will see a list of applications that can launch automatically. Windows also shows a startup impact label for each app, like high, medium, or low, to show you which ones slow down things the most. To prevent an app from starting automatically, simply switch the toggle to off. Focus on non-essential apps with a high impact first to see the biggest improvement in boot speed. You can also manage these settings in the Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps icon in the sidebar. Don't worry, disabling an app here doesn't uninstall it. You can still open it manually whenever you need it. Just avoid turning off important tools like your antivirus or backup apps. Here we can confirm that the Teams application that we disabled in the Task Manager haven't been uninstalled. Managing your startup list is one of the easiest ways to keep your PC feeling fast and responsive. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to Libritechia for more practical tech tips. Stay reachable, and I will see you in the next one.